Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the "this site can't be reached" error in Opera GX. So step 1 is you're going to clear your cache and cookies. You're just going to head over to settings from the top right corner of your page, and then from here you're going to click on this gear icon where it will take you to the settings page. Now from here you're going to click on privacy and security, and then you're going to click on delete browsing data. Just click on the arrow right here, and then for the time range, just make sure that you choose all time, and then from there you're just going to click on delete data. Now after that, another thing that you can do is you can reset the DNS. So in order for you to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to open your command prompt. So just click on Windows plus R, and then from here, type in CMD and then click on OK. Now you're going to type in ipconfig and then /flushdns. It will then flush the DNS of your, or it will reset the DNS of your Opera GX, and then you're just going to have to click on enter. Now after that, you can also try to check your network. So try restarting your Wi-Fi or switching to another network right here. Another thing that you can do is you can disable VPN or extensions. Some VPNs or ad blockers can cause this error, so make sure to disable them temporarily. Another thing is you can restart Opera GX, just close and reopen Opera GX. So you can just close it like that and then try reloading the website. And that's it. Your Opera GX browser should now open sites properly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.